Here we are this morning, having mommy and puppy playtime. All the puppies had their breakfast. They're almost all on, where'd they all go? They're almost all on hard puppy food now. They're having fun playing with mom. Their moms. When RJ's hiding somewhere. So they're all by Amy's feet. Ah! And by my feet. Having fun this morning. There's Ruby running around. RJ, Ginger the yellow. Where'd everybody else go? Charlie, Lucy. Who's this? That's Lola. Libby. Where's Maggie? May. Maggie's playing with the ball over there. They're almost all potty trained on the paper. So if you're interested, give us a call, 763-428-7733. 4 are still available. You can check our website, israelsonschnauzer.com. Hi, here's Libby, all content. israelsonschnauzer.com.